Got to stand across the other side of the road because this property is massive. It's that one and all that as well, off-street parking. Welcome to the personal property tour for 40 Station Road in St Monans. This is an amazing 7-bedroom, 4 reception, 6 bathroom shower rooms, 2 WCs as well, detached villa. It used to be formerly the Mayview Hotel, but it has now got residential use, so it's ready to move straight in just now. Let me just show you from the front. So as we've got here, from the very front, you've got the area underneath it can go right back to the courtyard, so you can get easy access into there. We'll end up there at the last minute. You've got off-street parking all the way along here. I think for about 4, maybe 5 cars in here you'd get comfortably, but then it's all this building as well. It is huge. I'm going to see you up there in a minute and we'll work our way down. I'll see you there. Okay, so here we are upstairs. The first of the 2 double bedrooms with ensuite shower rooms. Let me show you round. So here's the first across to my right hand side. You can see there's a space for storage in there. Probably put a rack up there and put your clothes and everything in there. You've got your ensuite shower room. Single bed in here just now, but it is a good sized double bedroom, I would say, definitely. You've got that bay window to the front, and then you've got that big area around there as well, which you could have a dressing table and that in there. But for anybody that doesn't know, Station Road goes right down to the harbour. If you look just across, you'll see the Firth of Forth. So you can see you're right next to the Fife Coastal Path and the sea and everything. So it's a great opportunity. Perfect lifestyle living, I would say. Definitely lifestyle living. What could you use this for? It was a formal hotel, it now got residential use. You could have it for an extended family. You could resurrect it as a business again. You could possibly have a nursery here. You could maybe have it as the hotel again. You could maybe be a living landlord. There's quarters down on the floor below me here, which could actually accommodate a living landlord, maybe doing bed and breakfast. But again, all permissions need to be granted in order to do that. But at this moment in time, ready to move in for someone, an extended family potentially. Okay, so we'll start off again over the other side. You've got storage in this cupboard. One thing this has got, it's got plenty of storage. You've got another double bedroom on this side. Again, this is probably similar to the other one. Just a tiny wee bit wider, but you can see how you can easily get a double bed in there. And you've got that wee study area to the rear, or it could be for your hanging your clothes and that. And then you've got your ensuite shower room in there as well. Okay, let's go down to the floor downstairs. This is what I was telling you about. If you want to be a living and do bed and breakfast here, this could be the perfect place for you. Just after this door, let me just explain when we come after this door. Now, technically 2 bedrooms we've got this classified as, but for the purpose we've dressed it like this so you can understand what would happen here. So you'd have this as your living room. You could potentially put a kitchenette area back in here for this bit. You've got a bathroom 4-piece, and then you've got your bedroom in here as well. Good sized double bedroom. Okay, makes sense? Then as we go into this side, we've got another double bedroom on here with an ensuite shower room. Huge bedroom here. Ensuite shower room in there as well. And then storage under the cupboard, under the stairs here. And then you've got another double bedroom across this side. Again with an ensuite shower room. And there. And then at the back here we've got another, what is potentially, I mean this is a study room just now, but it could be a decent single bedroom, to be honest. Or it could be anything you want, I suppose. It is a home office just now, they've got it, but you've also got the WC there as well. Nice featured window there, isn't it? The timber ballast rail as well looks original to the property, but wait till you see some of the feature cornicing downstairs. It is amazing. And then I'll talk about this if you've got an extended family and you've got maybe someone that can't accommodate stairs. This could be their own separate living area. And here, see that? Look at that. See what I mean about this? Beautiful cornicing in here. This place could tell a lot of stories, I would imagine, about being a former hotel. But you've got this living room area to here, which is a big space. And then potentially again you've got this is 2 single beds together, by the way, so that shows you that's almost the super king size. And then you've got an area here as well. I mean, You could subdivide that and close that off and actually have a separate room here and a separate room there, but I think you've got loads of room anyway. But definitely for somebody that wants their own space in an extended family. And then off to the back they would have their own dressing area here. Possibly they could have a kitchen here. Now this is where the laundry is just now, but they could have a kitchen here because all the utilities are actually in here, and you could actually, I believe there's gas in here as well, so you could actually have a cooker in here as well, or you could put electric in. So this would be a really good space for that. And then just across this wee hall here, you've got your own shower room. So for somebody who wants their own space and wants their own privacy, then that could be perfect for them. And then you've got this huge room for storage as well in there. Let's go into the dining kitchen now. Okay, so the dining kitchen leads off to this. Wait till you see this room. It is massive at the rear, and I'll show you that in a minute. It's even got its own feature well over in that room. Yeah, a feature well, I did say that. So you've got the dining area to here, but it leads into this dining kitchen. Look at that, that's beautiful, isn't it? And you've got your seating area over there. You've got a breakfast bar with sink. Plenty of storage all the way throughout. You've got your own fridge. And then freezer. Loads of worktop space. Your hob. And then you've got a double oven there as well. And then all the seating area to the front as well. So it's massive. This is about the size of my first flat. Just this room alone. Now that's the access I got off to the side where it goes to the parking outside. And so we're at the front of the house now. And then into what we would say is the rear. Yeah, I'm getting my bearings here. Here we are, right here. So that's access for the front door. Let's go off the back and let's look at this room. Wait till you see this room. This room is bigger than most people's houses. Look at the size of that room. Even got your own dance floor and your own elevated. If you like your entertainment, home entertainment, you can get somebody up there to do a turn. Look at that. Imagine when it came to celebration times, having your own reception room to do that. You could just get everybody in here. What an amazing area. What would you do with it? Something else, eh? I was kind of pretty speechless when I saw this, because I kind of thought to myself, wow, what potential does this have? You know, it's entirely up to you what you think. But let me see let me show you this next reception room. It has its own feature well. Here it is right here. So as we go right along, you'll see how this is all ready to move in. And then over in that corner, you've got your own feature well. So when they built this extension to this property, they then realised there was a well underneath. So they thought, I tell you what, let's make a feature out of it. So this has been quite a feature for quite a while, and it's all got its own personal lighting. But it's obviously got glass on there to make sure everything's okay for safety-wise. But it goes right down there. See that? Right down into there. That is fantastic, isn't it? Was it no castles back in the old day that had their own well? The modern day castle. Okay, off to the back here, we've got a WC, we've got storage either side as well. And then we're outside now into this court to the front. See that bit? We're at the front where we started, and you can go right up here. There's a number of ways to get out to this from the property, with the doors, off the laundry room, off the back of the leisure games room, living room. And then there, off that reception room as well. But listen how peaceful it is. So quiet, isn't it? It's fantastic. And then it's got its own feature area here as we go around. So we've got all that seating, and then we've got a feature area over there as well. We've even got the double doors coming off the back of that elevated stage. Yeah, it is a stage, I suppose. And then we've got this beautiful water feature. Some beautiful fish in here. It's great, isn't it? Now, the great thing about it, plenty of sheds here, massive storage in there. And then as you come round the corner here, there's a massive storage area in here as well. This goes all the way along to that bit, and there's another storage area as well. Now that goes back into that laundry area, which I said potentially could be converted into a kitchen for one level living for someone, and that goes back into the actual games room, living room area and sitting room. But it's glorious, isn't it? Let me take a seat over here in the sun. I think the great thing about this is we're about 10:30 just now, so the sun's going to come up over here, it's going to travel all the way around, and it's going to go down over here. So it's going to sit on this rear area for most of the day, which just suits me perfectly, because I'm just going to take a seat here and bask in the sun. Let's recap this. Yes, you've just seen 7 bedrooms, 4 reception rooms, lots of storage rooms, I'll be honest. And then you've got 6 bathroom shower rooms with a couple of WCs thrown in. And it's the detached property, off-street parking to the front for several cars there, you can see that. It's just at the top of Station Road. Right across the road is the Premier store, so you can get all your usual day-to-day items for your cupboard and that every single day. True Colours hairdressers next door, Bathroom Business Park round the corner. As you go further down to the Harbour, you've got the Giddiganic Cafe. Across one side of the Harbour, East Pier Smokehouse, and then across the other side is the Craig Miller Restaurant. Walk further along to the right, and you can walk right along just under 3 miles into Ely, the historic town of Ely. You can get there by road as well, but I kind of think the Fife Coastal Path is absolutely gorgeous. Check out the location footage on this. You'll see what is in the area and how close it is to everything else as well. It has the salt pans, the historic salt pans where salt was made over the years, and the beautiful windmill. Open water swimming at the St Monans Tidal Pool is fantastic. If you just want to do that open water swimming every morning, take that comfortable dip, and just regenerate and refresh yourself, this is the place for you, definitely. As you come up 4th Street, you come into the park as well. You've got open football facilities. You've got a nice park area for children to play as well. The primary school's just there. Fantastic local primary school. And then as you go further on to your high school education, you're in Anstruther at Wade Academy. My daughter went to Wade. I can't say enough good things about it. One of the top performing schools in Fife, definitely. Okay, so further back along, as we just got past the Wade, we've got Pit and Weem in between. They've got a tidal pool as well, and then you've got all the facilities you ever need. Main shopping facilities at the Co-op in Anstruther itself. Proximity to St Andrews, 10 miles over the hill approximately. So we quick trip over to St Andrews, come back here. Coastal living at a brilliant price point. A fantastic property, lots on offer here. Lots of opportunity for someone to put your own stamp on it, whether it's extended living, extended family you want to have in here, whether it's a business you want to run in here, or whether it's you want to do bed and breakfast and be a living landlord, I suppose. This could be ideal for you. There's more details on the post. You can click on the link above or below for more details and the location footage as well. If you need to contact us, you can contact us on 01333 421 774, or you can message us direct on this post. Until next time, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this tour. I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.